We build to reach greater heights. We build to keep protected. Manufacturing industries contribute by producing construction machinery, requiring energy and raw materials. What if we were able to make the same product, but using less resources? The surface finishing cluster of the EU-funded MEMAN project concerns the manufacturing and electroplating of steel products. In the project, their particular focus is on the production of hydraulic piston rods that are used in cranes and construction machines. One of the biggest challenges in the surface finishing cluster is the quality of steel that needs to be coated. Any fault in the steel texture is not concealed by the plating process, but is on the contrary magnified by it. With the MEMAN methodology, partners are now successfully able to control the quality of raw materials to reduce inefficiencies.
Der MEMAN-Ansatz ist, dass Unternehmen über die Unternehmensgrenze hinaus miteinander kooperieren, Informationen miteinander teilen und dass dadurch Potenziale, die vorher vielleicht versteckt waren, nun sichtbar gemacht werden können.
The project aims to improve resource efficiency over the whole life cycle of products in the metal mechanic industry, following the concept of a circular economy. By fostering cooperation and transparency, the project breaks up traditional barriers between value chain partners. The toolbox developed by MEMAN experts was able to find best practice solutions for individual value chain partners. This software can help companies to identify interdependencies, synergies, and target conflicts arising from their decisions.
Für uns ist das schon ein großer Schritt, weil es geht nicht nur letztlich um die Optimierung nur der Ressourceneffizienz, sondern das hat auch Aspekte von Industrie 4.0.
For companies in the surface finishing cluster, the MEMAN project aims to reduce failures in the steel coating process by 80%, saving up to 20% of the product's life cycle costs, while reducing energy consumption and CO2 emissions by up to 35%. MEMAN. Unlock your potential. Save your resources.